हेलो गाइस, पे मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब की तरह के वीडियो अच्छे लगे तो कमेंट करते रहना, चाहे शेयर करते हैं। तो आज मैं अनबॉक्स करने वाली हूँ मेरी whimsy मेकअप किट और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। और मैंने अपनी whimsy मेकअप किट अमेजोन से ऑर्डर की है। मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। चलो अनबॉक्स कर। सो लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट फ्रॉम हियर। आई थिंक यू हैव टू ओपन. And it is opened. I am very excited. Wow. So here is my makeup kit. And here is the bill. So let's unbox it. It is looking so pretty. I'm very excited. So we have to tear this. Like how? Like this and like this. It is open and it is written Whimsy Beauty Natural and Safe Makeup Kit 4 to 16 years old. And here's this makeup belongs to and inspired by nature. And I'm so excited. Wow. So first of all we get this thank you card. Thank you for your purchase, Whimsy Beauty, your BFF. Your order made our day. Hope you made ours. We love to see our product being used. Please don't forget to snap, tag and share your feedback on social media. The Whimsy Beauty, www.whimsyindia.com. So first of all we get this pop eye eyeliner, and next Whimsy angelic pink eye glitter, and the sponge. Wow, I'm very excited. I'm very happy. Whimsy red dew lip and cheek tinted balm, and next Whimsy pink pie lip and cheek tinted balm. And these brushes, this is the eye brush, and this is also, and this is cheek blush, and these are so pretty, very cute. And Whimsy green gold eye glitter, and this is Whimsy Beauty Enhance crafted with love for pre-teens. Wow. And Whimsy glow me up concealer, this is concealer. And this is Whimsy glitter and go lip gloss, this is lip gloss. And this is that we can, when we do makeup, we can wear it on our hairs. And this is one bag that we can carry when we go to a vacation. We can carry our makeup. So let's organize it. इससे पहले से organize हुआ हुआ था, पर फिर भी कर देते हैं. And I am very happy. And please order this Whimsy makeup kit. And this is very pretty makeup kit. Please order it. And this is for kids specially. And this is very safe and non-toxic. This is very pretty and thank you God. तो अब मैं इन सबको लगा के देखती हूँ. तो गाइस अब मैं सारी चीज़ों को ट्राई करके देखती हूँ. First, this pre-teens we will try later. First we will try this. What is this? Lip gloss, my favorite. So let's unbox this. Wow, this is so pretty. Let me try. Look, and this fragrance is very nice. Wow, I love it. And next, this pink pie lip and cheek tinted balm. And I am very excited for this also. So let's try. Yeah. So let me show you. This is in burger shape. You can see it. This is in burger shape. So let's unbox this. Wow, look at this color. Let me put it. Wow. Let me put it with this. This as I can put as lips also. Wait. Let me remove this. So I had removed this. So let me try this one. On cheeks also. How pretty this is. Look how pretty this is. The shade is very nice. Very nice. I love it. And let me try this red dew now. So let's pack this one. Yeah, this one is so good. I love this. And whimsy makeup kit is my favorite. And ये मैंने उतार दिया. अब करते हैं whimsy red dew lip and cheek tinted balm. So let's unbox this one. I'm very excited. Look. That one is for pink burger and this is for purple burger. Lavender. Wow, how nice shape it is. Burger shape. So let's unbox. Wow, that one is so, red and this is brownish red. Yeah. Let's try. One cloth. Yeah. So let's try this one. Wow. So look how pretty this is. So please comment me that which one you like. This pink pie or this red dew. Okay, comment. And now let's try eye glitter. Now let's try the eye glitter. First I will pack this one in this lip gloss. This one is so pretty. Now we can try this. What is this? Pop eyeliner. Oh, eyeliner we will try later. Let's try which one oh, eye glitter. Where is eye glitter? Yeah. This is green gold eye glitter and angelic pink eye glitter. So let's try angelic pink eye glitter first. I think this is also in burger shape. I don't know. No. Oh, look how pretty this is. Let's try with this brush. Okay. Let's try. Wow. Let's unbox this. Wow. Look how pretty eye glitter is. Wow. It is so pigmented and look how pretty it is. And one more thing I want to tell you that today is Children's Day. So happy Children's Day to all my friends. This eye glitter is so beautiful color, pink color. And so pretty it is. Look how pretty it is looking. Look how pretty it is looking. Okay. Wow. I love it. Then let's pack this. So we will not try green one. So let's try concealer. But concealer we apply at the first, but I forgot to apply concealer. Wow. Oh, like this. Look. How pretty. And it is safe also for children especially. Look how pretty it is looking. Look. So you can also buy this from Amazon also, or from any store. From where we have to close. From here. And it is closed. So packet, we can pack this. And I will meet you after packing. So now I am packing. This sponge, and keep it here, and this thank you card, and this is packed. And I forgot to write the name, so let's write the name. This is my pen. So let's write the name. Look how pretty this is. And from back side. So let's write my name. This makeup belongs to Vanya. I will try another pen because this pen is not working. This pen. Yeah, this is cool. Vanya. Kale. And I had written, look. Oh, one thing I had forgot to design also. I had written, look. And this makeup gliss is so pretty. Look, you can stand it also. Yeah. Look. And bye guys, और like, share, subscribe करना मत भूलना. Bye.